Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy broccoli salad with pesto and just these ingredients. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the full recipe, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this broccoli salad. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try and any yum adaptations you make. So the ingredients today, we've got broccoli. Use as much or as little as you like. I've been making this in the morning as a small bowlful for myself, so when I get home after a day out and about, I've got a nutritious salad that's just perfect and beautifully balanced and fully flavorful. And I've been going vegetarian for a little while, so I found this vegan pesto, green pesto. We're in England at the moment and I've been shopping and having fun. It's from Asda. I've got some edamame beans at the back over there, which you can use those. You can use any nuts that you like instead. And just for a bit of color, I've got a bit of red pepper chopped up. So now we'll just put it all together. So I've popped all the broccoli into the bowl. I'm going to put most of the red pepper, but just save some behind as some topping for afterwards. And then we're going to add pesto, as much, as little as you like. If you're not vegetarian, vegan, you can use any pesto that you like. But if you're a vegan, vegetarian, or serving this to someone who is, just check to make sure, because often there'll be parmesan, which is not veggie friendly. So pop as much pesto as you like. I like a couple of spoonfuls. Give it a mix through, and then see if I want to add more. So really just give it a mix through. I'm just mostly concerned with making sure the broccoli gets all the pesto flavor, and if you think it needs more, add more. If you want to make this to serve a crowd, use a big salad bowl, use a whole head of broccoli, all pepper, all veggies that you like, maybe even the whole jar of pesto, but just we'll mix it through. It definitely needs a bit more, but I like starting with less and then adding more as I go. And I'll just mix it until all of the pesto is lovely and incorporated. Now you can definitely cook this if you want to instead of having it raw. This goes beautifully nice and cooked. Or I would cook all the veggies first and then add a few tablespoons of the pesto, and then you've got a nice cooked warming broccoli dish. But I'm quite happy having it raw and let all those flavors kind of mingle together. And now we'll just add in the beans and the peppers. And we'll finish off the salad with our little bits of pepper thrown in all over the place. And you could definitely enjoy this salad straight away, but I quite like mine after a little while in the fridge, so it's had a bit of time for all the flavors to mingle together and like playing, making it colorful. And finally the edamame beans, some good protein added in there. You could add pine nuts or almonds or walnuts, any nuts you like, but I'm quite happy just with these edamame beans to give it a bit of protein. And that's pretty much it. That is the lovely broccoli salad with pesto and nutritious ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know if you give the salad a try. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with the full recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.